Welcome back to my channel. Today the new Case IH Magnum 2025 is the latest iteration of one of the most trusted tractor lines in the agricultural world. Built with precision and power, it offers cutting-edge technology for farmers who demand the best. With its enhanced engine, the Magnum 2025 delivers unmatched performance in the field, ensuring that even the toughest tasks are handled with ease. This new model comes equipped with a powerful engine that provides both high horsepower and fuel efficiency, allowing for extended working hours without needing to stop for refueling. In terms of comfort, Case IH has gone above and beyond with the Magnum 2025. The cabin is spacious, with top-tier ergonomics and a noise reduction system that ensures a quiet and comfortable ride. The seat is adjustable, allowing the operator to customize their experience, while the intuitive control panel puts everything you need right at your fingertips. This user-friendly design minimizes the learning curve, making it easy for both seasoned operators and newcomers to take full control of the machine. One of the standout features of the Case IH Magnum 2025 is its advanced precision farming technology. The system allows for real-time monitoring of all operations, from planting to harvesting. This not only maximizes productivity but also reduces waste, ensuring more efficient use of resources. The automated steering system is another highlight, making sure that every pass is perfectly aligned for optimal field coverage. With GPS-guided navigation, the Magnum 2025 ensures that no spot is missed, resulting in a more precise and efficient workflow. Durability is at the heart of this machine. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, from rocky terrains to heavy loads, the Magnum 2025 is designed to last. It features a robust frame and enhanced suspension, which absorbs shocks and vibrations, reducing wear and tear over time. This makes it ideal for long-term use, providing farmers with a reliable machine that can keep up with their demanding schedules. The large tires and strong axle design offer stability, even on uneven terrain, allowing the tractor to tackle various soil types and field conditions effortlessly. Maintenance is another area where the Case IH Magnum 2025 excels. The machine is designed for easy access to essential components, reducing the time and effort needed for servicing. This means less downtime and more time spent in the field, getting work done. Additionally, the Magnum 2025 offers extended service intervals, which further reduces the need for frequent maintenance checks. Thanks for watching.